get it. Get it. Yuna, get it. Yes, over here. Yuna, get it. Get it. Yes, over here. Over here. Yes, very good. Yes. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Okay, come here. Get it. Get it. Yes. Over here. Over here. Good. Good. Okay, get it. Yes, over here. Over here. Good try. Good try. Get it. Yuna, get it. Yes. Yes. Get it. Yuna, get it. Get it. Yuna, get it. Get it. Get it. Yes. Yes. In here. Good try. Good try. Hasn't made it yet. You got it. Come here. Get it. Yes. Over here. Over here. Yes. Very good. Very good. Good girl. Good girl. I know you want more. You want more treats. All right. Yuna, get it. Get it. Yes. Over here. Over here. Get it. Get it. Yuna, get it. Over here. Drop it. Yes. Very good. Yes. You did so good. You did so good. Good girl. Okay. Get it. Get it. Up. Get it. Get it. Yes. Over here. Over here. Drop it. Get it. Get it. Yes. Drop it. Yes. Very good. You're so smart. You're doing so good. Good girl. I don't have any more treats. I'm sorry. Good girl. Who's a good girl? Yes, you're so smart. Yes, you're so smart. Good girl.
There he goes. There he goes. Let's go.
Sign your phone.
Yes. Hi, I'm Stitch. Yeah. Good job.
Hey, look at this!
Yes, it's Stitch.
Oh my! That is adorable!
You want to get it yourself?
You can pick a couple of them out.
You can get one.
Pick your favorite colors.
You want a red one? How about we'll give you a red one and a brown one. Let's do thank you.
Yay.
Hey, look in there. Your first candy. Your first candy. Thank you. Thanks. Cut them off.
Yay.
Let's go. Bye, Stitch. Oh, she wants to see the dog.
Oh.
Want to say hello?
Yeah.
Want to say hello?
Hello.
I wouldn't hold that Kit Kat out of here.
Would you put it back?
Thank you.
You can take it with you,
You can keep it.
sweetheart. Look at her little bracelets. How
can
pretty.
Thank you.
Oh. She's like, can I have the dog?
She loves to share.
Oh, she does.
Well,
That's
thank you
so
for sharing.
sweet. Oh, I could just eat her up.
Yeah, let's put that on there. That would be great.
I'm done with the hat.
You better go to another house and you won't have any clothes on. By the time you finish, you're such a good sharer.
There you
Very
go,
good.
sweetheart.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, love to share,
See, I
huh?
just like to get
Yeah, she really loves to share.
Thank you. She's learning how to walk and how to talk right now. So babbling and wabbling, right? Can you walk through there? Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go. Wow, say hi.
All right. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey.
Hey.
No, not really. I was. Let's go. Oh, good girl. Wow. You're
Very good job.
Hi. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Sorry.
You put that in there? No, I don't want it. You keep that one.
Very good.
There you go.
Okay,
Good.
good.
Very good.
Oh no, that's yours now. It's all yours.
Yeah.
Yeah, she loves to share.
Yes, very good.
Good for her.
Oh, more.
Sit.
Another one?
Oh,
Very good.
No more. No more. Let's go somewhere else.
next house.
I know.
Watch it.
Evil spirit, you can't be evil, you're wearing white. You're welcome.
See? Okay, you have to walk to those stairs.
Can do
You
it.
can do it. Yes. Let's go. Hi. Let's go. She's
Yeah.
stuck to learning how to walk
Oh, yeah.
and how to talk. She only knows broccoli.
How about some goldfish, then?
Wow. See, thank you.
No.
No. Sorry. No, we have to change your mind.
She says no. I want to go inside.
Point me in the direction I'll go.
Good job.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Yes. One more. It's okay. Okay,
job.
that's all. That's all. That's all. No more. No more. No more. Ruth. That's fine. Sorry. Thank you. You're
welcome.
Let's go. No.
No,
No
this side.
more. No more. Look, right here. Get your candy.
She's like, I'm going back there. Look, there's for you. There's for you.
Say thank you.
What?
Put it in there.
Good job. Oh, we're gonna get some out. Oh, she's gonna share.
Yeah.
She's like,
Oh.
thank you. I'll go give it to you.
Thank
you.
Yeah. Don't fall. Don't fall on my watch. It's like the blonde leading the blonde here. You fall, I fall.
Especially face first. That'd be bad.
Oh, that would be so bad. That
Yes.
would be so bad. You know that's what Yaya does. Let's go over here. Let's go to this house. Let's go to this house. Come on. Yeah. Oh, God.
Go
Yeah.
uphill.
Yeah.
Uphill.
Come on. You can do it. Just a few more steps. She does not want that hat. I do not want that hat.
Bye. You say bye to me? No. You need this one for your treat. Oh. Let's go.
Oh, you got her. All of a sudden she let go. I was like, oh. I'm with you. Keep going. Y'all right here. Hello. Hi.
Hi. Say hi.
What do you think? You like?
I don't know.
I don't know.
She probably can't eat any of it.
Maybe it's crackers?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Take one for them, please.
Hey guys, so it is late. It's like 9:30. Just got home from going to John and Debbie's. We did some trick-or-treating with baby Ruth. I just got home from that, but what was interesting was as I was coming home, I was coming into the entrance to our apartment complex, and there were 3 cop cars. I thought they were blocking off the entrance, but they luckily left enough room for cars to get by. But there were 3 cops with their lights on, and then a couple of people sitting on the sidewalk, I think handcuffed. So I saw they were searching. There were a couple of cars on the side of the road, like leading up to the entrance to our apartment complex. So I don't know if they were involved or not. Hold on, I'm gonna take these earrings off. I got little ghosties, but I'm tired of wearing them. So yeah, I don't know if those cars were involved or not, but there was one car in front of the 3 police cars that were the police were searching, so I assume it had to do with drugs, but I don't know. I guess it's Halloween. It's Halloween. I was gonna say it's Halloween weekend, but that was this past weekend. But it's Halloween night. You know, just playing with Crow. But yeah, so I took Yuna with me to John and Debbie's house because I had to feed her and I didn't want to leave her by herself because I didn't know how long I was going to be gone. And I'll insert a picture, but she was wearing a t-shirt I got her from PetSmart, but she's a little big for that. I got it a little too early and she outgrew it very fast, but luckily it was not too tight on her, so it fit her just enough for tonight. I did end up picking up this collar while I was at PetSmart today because I had to get a few things, and I figured this collar will work throughout the rest of the Halloweens. So I don't think she's going to grow too much more, but I think this collar will be enough so that she, you know, I don't have to keep buying Halloween costumes for her that she could possibly outgrow. Yuna, you are being too rough with Crow. Here's Crow. Gotta give him his medicine. He has some respiratory problems that he had when we adopted him, but the medicine that they were giving him wasn't seeming to work, so they gave us another medication. So I just have to give him a little syringe every night. Not like a shot, just like a little liquid syringe of medicine. He hates it, but you gotta do what you gotta do, and I gotta refrigerate it, so keep that bag in there. There's only got a couple more days left. But yeah, I'm wearing this for Halloween. I didn't really dress up just because I had to rush a lot. But I'm gonna sit here and try to give Crow his medicine. And I'm gonna talk to you guys. I'm sorry, you're just gonna get like my torso. But yeah, so my class ended at 4:45 and I had to be at John and Debbie's at 6. And I didn't have time to come and change because I had to come by and pick up Puppy. And there you go. Very good. Had to come by here, leave school, come here, pick up Puppy, and then drive immediately there. And I got there at 6, so I was actually early, which was surprising because I thought traffic was going to be terrible. If I had gone the way that I usually go, the traffic would have been terrible because I would have gone straight through downtown, and I would have run into so much traffic. But luckily, I went a different way, and traffic was not as bad, so that's good. Mike is obviously at work, so I don't think we had any trick-or-treaters just because, I don't know, we usually don't, but I don't know. I guess this is our first Halloween in this apartment, so I don't know if they trick-or-treat here or not. You know, what are you doing? But no one was here at our place to give out candy because we were both gone. They run me a bath. Thought I smelled poop, but I guess I didn't. I'm gonna put Yuna in her crate for the night because it's 9:30. It's past my bedtime, but I got home late, so I gotta hurry up and go to bed. I feel like there was something else I was gonna tell you, but I can't remember. Oh God, I'm gonna fall over. I don't know. Hey, hush it. I'm kind of ready to move. I've been saying that a lot recently. Come on. Oh, actually, I think I remember. So, we went to PetSmart, got a couple of things. I got Yuna a new collar because her collar is gross. There's Crow. Don't fight your collar. Yeah, pretty. So I got Yuna a nice new red collar that you can't see because you're so fluffy. Oh, there's Martin. You know, for a 12-year-old cat who's got a gimp, I don't know, you can kind of see when he walks. He's got a little bit of a limp on the left side in his front leg, but he's a spry little thing for a 12-year-old. Hey, Yuna, come here. But she keeps walking away from me. Come here, Yuna. Come here. Sit. Sit. See, I got her a nice new red collar. It's from the Ellen DeGeneres section in PetSmart. It says love on it somewhere. But you can't see it because you've got so much hair. There it is. But yeah, I got her new collar because her old collar is just all chewed up and it's dirty and gross, so I figured she needed a new one. I also got her a new leash because she chewed up her other leash. And this leash is basically the same. It's a little bit smaller here, actually. Sorry, I keep going back and forth. They're the same brand. They're actually the exact same leash. It's just one is bigger and one is smaller. So so this is the leash that we got when we first got Lucy. And we got a big one because we expected Lucy to be a big grown-up golden retriever, but of course, if you guys have been with me for a while, you know that we had to put her down. But we did keep this leash just because we weren't going to go buy a new one just because we have a different dog, so. But Yuna has chewed this one. I don't know how well you can tell. But yeah, she's chewed this one up, and it's just kind of beaten up. It's been drug around, and Micah was concerned that it was gonna snap where she's chewed it. So I went out and got a new one, which is the exact same, and then I bought some accessories to put on it. So this is a poop bag that snaps into the back. There's a space also back here for one. They're especially designed to go with this leash, so they snap into the back. You can put treats, but you can also put poop bags and stuff in there, so I put poop bags in there. And then this thing that you can also get as an accessory, it is a little light. It blinks. It also just stays on, and there's a flashlight for when we're outside at night. So I thought that was pretty neat. Just a little mini PetSmart haul. She's got her Snoopy. Come on, go in your crate, please. Time to go to bed. Go on, go in your crate. Good girl. So that's been, that's been my day and night. Tomorrow, see, I got school early in the morning, but probably in the afternoon what I'll end up doing is coming home and tearing down all of our Halloween decorations, which isn't the worst thing in the world. I mean, and it's not going to be too hard, but I mean, hold on. I'm running a bath because I got to get ready to go to bed. I also got to peel off these eyelashes. But I'm kind of ready for them to come down. Plus, again, with the whole moving situation, I'm ready to, oof, I just tripped over the kitten. I'm ready to start kind of packing up some things and organizing things. So yeah, that's been my Tuesday. I don't think I vlogged anything Monday just because I don't have anything to talk about. Micah and I are going out this weekend. We've got a couple of things, actually. I have an exciting weekend coming up. One being we have an have a reservation, I guess I should say, at the new Cat Cafe. Their grand opening is Friday, and we have a reservation there. But what was I gonna say? I don't know. Oh yeah, so we have a reservation at 5 for the Cat Cafe, so I will vlog that. Then Saturday, well, one of these days during the weekend, I gotta go get my car inspected because it expires tomorrow, actually in the month of November, which is tomorrow. So I gotta go get that done, and then check my bath. And then what else? Oh yeah, and then Micah and I are gonna go look at some houses this weekend as well. So busy week. I got a test tomorrow morning. I got a test Friday. Got a test every day. Actually I do. I have one on Thursday too. So yay, fun for me. And I gotta unpack these Amazon boxes. I ordered some paints, and this is so stupid. I ordered some metallic paints, and they literally came in like 5 different boxes. One came earlier that I already unboxed, but I don't know, why didn't they just ship them all together? They literally shipped 5 different boxes, which is so freaking annoying. And then I made a big old mess over here unpacking Yuna's pet supply stuff, so I gotta clean that up sometime too. Okay, but first things first, and last thing for today is make sure all the cats are good. Yeah, I think they're good. Is we gotta take a bath and go to bed. So that's what I'm gonna do. So hope you guys had an awesome Halloween. Of course you won't see this until the weekend, but regardless, I hope you had a fun and safe Halloween. I hope you were not one of those people that got arrested in front of my apartment complex, because if you are, I'm judging you. But yeah, so, oh yeah, and so when we were driving by there, I had my windows rolled down because I didn't know, like, if I needed to, like, talk to them and be like, hey, I live here, can you let me through? But I didn't, because they left enough space for me to get by. But my window was rolled down, and Yuna starts barking, and all the police officers turn around and look at me, and I'm like, I'm sorry, it's just my dog. But yeah, so I did bring her to John and Debbie's because I explained that earlier, but also I wanted to work on her people skills. She didn't do a very good job. She just barks at everyone. Like, she has terrible people skills. She just wants to bark at every single person she sees. We're trying to work on that, but I don't know. I think she's protective of me and of Micah, which is fine, but there's a line, you know? But it takes her some time to get used to new people, but once she gets used to you, she's totally fine. It's just that first introduction, she's very barky. But yeah, so I hope you guys had an awesome Halloween. Hope you had a safe Halloween. Hope you guys had an awesome night, got lots of candy, or if you didn't get candy, did whatever you do on Halloween. That's not trick-or-treating. Excuse me. But yeah, I will talk to you guys maybe tomorrow. We'll see.
That's fine. Yes.
So where's it? They're gonna tow it?
Probably, yeah.
Okay. They're gonna tow it to the Advanced Auto?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So we're sitting
It's on
here,
Westgate
and
City,
we were
but I don't
driving,
know
and
where
Micah's car literally just died.
address.
So, we're on the phone with AAA trying to figure things out. We're hopefully gonna get it towed up the road to Advanced Auto, so hopefully that'll work out. I'm blurry. It's on my feet.